Day 16 of learning German without memorizing words. Stop trying to memorize whether a table, a car, or a potato is male or female. It is a massive waste of time. Traditional schools force you to memorize der, die, das for thousands of random objects. It feels completely arbitrary and makes your brain want to quit. But here is the secret. German noun genders have nothing to do with the object and everything to do with the spelling. The suffix at the end is an absolute cheat code. If a word ends in UNG or HEIT, it is 100% feminine. Always die Zeitung, die Freiheit. If it ends in CHEN, it is 100% neuter. Always das Mädchen. You don't look at the object, you look at the tail. Stop guessing, just check the suffix. Hit follow for day 17, where we look at the Akkusativ Attack and show you how these genders actually morph in a sentence.